So welcome back to our 2D platformer series. At the end of this series, you'll be able to create your very own 2D platformer game. So this time, let's take a look on how to add spikes to our map and respawn. So let's create a new parent object for our spikes. And create a new sprite to it. Spikes. Attach a sprite to it. And make sure to add a collider as well. And please don't forget that your player should have some kind of a rigid body component. So I'm gonna put a bunch of these spikes into my map now. And that's it. Now all that we have to do now is to create a new script for them and to attach it right here. And now let's hop right into it. So again, let's remove all of that stuff and detect if there's a collision. Is it our player? So if collision.collider get component player. And if so, do collision dot, let's say, die. And finally, inside our player script, let's make a new function to tell our player like what it means to die. So in there, let's do transform.position and set it to like a start position that we define up here. And it should be our actual start position, so like that. So let's see how it looks like. So back in Unity, let's hop into our deadly spikes. And that looks pretty working for now. Great. But maybe you want to add a death animation to it. So let's declare a new animation below here. Die. And as soon as our player dies, let's play it. And this time 0, 0. Make sure to play it from the start. And create a new variable, bool dead, that you can set to true here, in order to prevent our other animations from cancelling our death animation here. Just like that. And finally, let's move our line for respawn to a separated function. Respawn. That we can call at the end of our animation. So back in Unity, let's create a new animation and enable automatic keyframes at the end of it. I want the size of my player sprite to be reduced to 0. And make sure to call our actual respawn function at the end of it. And if you want in the animator window, you can change the speed of it. And don't forget to disable loop. And as always, don't forget to attach it right here. So let's make another of our painful jumps. And as you just saw, it's working as it should. And that's all that we wanted to accomplish today. So if you're interested to know how we added our other animations, like our jump animation, please check out the playlist and I'll see you next time.